Good evening. Today I am going to show Tiny 10. See, this Tiny 10 is customized version of Windows 10 that aims to run on low end PCs. It is developed and developer name NT Dave. So this is very good. Low consumption of RAM and old version of PCs also support for this Tiny 10. So just we'll check for this. Open browser and type there as tiny10 23h2 and enter. Here you can see tiny10 23h2 is there, NT Dev, free download. Just click on it and here you can scroll down and you can see torrent is there. Just go for torrent. And for torrent download you have to have like uTorrent. So I did a video regarding uTorrent. So desktop, see here you can see I open the uTorrent. In uTorrent I'll show where this file has been downloading. See here you can see tiny10 has been appeared and now I'll just go for OK. Before that what I'll do, I'll remove the some things and ISO file. I just downloaded ISO file and here you can see tiny10 23h2 in uTorrent I have started and I kept 4 start and bandwidth also I'll go for high end. See, download has been started and it will take some time. Just we'll wait for it. And my download has been completed. See here you can see seeding. And now what I'll do, after complete of download in uTorrent, I'll just go for downloads and I'll drag it this ISO file in my desktop with the tiny10 which was downloaded. I'll just copy in desktop. And now see here you can see tiny10 ISO file which I kept in my desktop ISO file. I removed this uTorrent and I removed that folder of tiny10. Now you have to download Rufus. I already did many videos about Rufus. Just open any browser and type there as Rufus. And then download option will become. Just click on download and here you can see the Rufus icon which is in desktop. So open Rufus and see, after opening Rufus, here you can see 16 GB is there. It's an pen drive, my pen drive. What I'll do, I'll just drag and drop this tiny10 ISO file into my Rufus box and standard window installation start. And here you can see window user experience. Just go for OK. I already did many videos regarding Rufus. So if you have any doubt, just go for Rufus video also. Rufus video I did separately. So whenever you insert any pen drive, just to make sure that your pen drive data is being copied in some other. So it has been completed. Now I will close it and just will check pen drive name, pen drive setup. See here, my pen drive name has been changed into Tiny 1023H2. See, now we have to restart our system. Restart it. See here, Windows, English, United States, English, and time, language, and all change. So next, agree, license, okay, next. And here partition is there, so I selected primary and next, and okay. Installing Windows. United States, and here you can see. Now let's start for region is the right. India, I selected India and S. Right keyboard layout, English India is there, so I'll go for English India. Yes, skip, just a moment. Okay, now who is going to use this PC? What name do you want to use? So I'll give a name. Next. Hi, we are getting everything ready for you. This might take several minutes. Don't turn off your PC. This might take some time. Almost there. Okay, it has been completed. See here, you can see it has been completed. Window icon appeared, and here some setting files, and here searching for display driver. Settings has been appeared. Network is there, so you have to go for network as. Close it. And here Windows start button is there. Just settings. Check for settings. Search for display driver and location, battery saver, and modes, and all, date, time, everything is there. So see here, you can see many of the features are there. Everything is same like advanced version also. So don't think this is a low consumption, so like that and all. So it is very good for very less RAM and very old PCs and all. So I just recommend for those who are having old PCs or laptops, just go through this. And I hope if this video is good, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.